Hey guys, what better than mini pizza? Let's see how we make it. For this, I have taken 2.5 cup flour, 1 cup warm water, 1 teaspoon olive oil, half teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon sugar, and 1.5 teaspoon yeast. I have taken a bowl and in which I have added sugar and yeast and added 5 tablespoons of lukewarm water, mixed it and let it rest for 10 to 15 minutes till it get activated. Now take flour, into this add half teaspoon salt and mix well. Make sure your hands are clean. Now add olive oil and mix again. Now take your activated yeast, add in the flour and mix again. Now take lukewarm water, add slowly and knead the dough. Make sure your dough is soft. Knead your dough for 5 to 10 minutes till it doesn't stick to the surface. When you press a finger on your dough and it bounces back, it means your dough is ready. Now take a bowl, apply some oil and put your dough in it. Cover it with cling foil and a cloth and let it rest for 2 to 3 hours till it doubles in size. After 2 hours, your dough doubles in size. See how beautifully aerated it is. See the air bubbles trapped in it? It's beautiful. Now take some dry flour and divide your dough in 4 equal parts. Use 1 part and the rest 3 cover them with cling foil. Now roll your dough into thin sheets with the help of a rolling pin. Add some dry flour if you need it. Use a cookie cutter or a small bowl to cut small pieces of the dough. Place them on a baking tray. Don't throw the leftover dough. Roll it again into a thin sheet to make more pizza slices. Now cover your mini pizzas with a cloth and let it rest for another 30 minutes. By the time, preheat your oven at 220 degrees centigrade. Use your finger to press the center of the pizza to create a border and space for your toppings so that the toppings don't overflow. Now take a fork, make holes so that our dough evenly rises. Lightly touch the pizza with some oil for that beautiful golden crust. We will par bake the pizzas at 220 degrees centigrade for 5 to 6 minutes. After our pizza base is ready, you can store it as such or after applying some pasta sauce and mozzarella cheese in a Ziploc pouch in a freezer. Now take vegetables of your choice and pizza pasta sauce and spread it nicely on the pizza base. If you want, you can make plain margaritas pizza. If you are storing them for the future use, make sure you do not add any vegetables on it, only pasta sauce and mozzarella cheese. And when you need it, take it out from the freezer and bake it at 230 degrees centigrade for 8 to 10 minutes. Now I'm adding my mozzarella cheese on the pizza slices. Now bake them again at 220 degrees centigrade for 8 to 10 minutes in a preheated oven or till the cheese melts. Our pizza is ready. Enjoy it with your family. But don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel and press that bell icon for further notifications. Thank you.